Welcome to Drinks on Digital, the show where we deep dive into the trends, technologies, and strategies shaping the future of industries worldwide. I'm your host Haroon, and today we're turning our focus to the dynamic world of digital marketing. At the Digital Cauldron, we pride ourselves on staying ahead of the curve, and today we are going to share some of our most forward thinking predictions with you. So, whether you're a seasoned marketeer or just curious about what's next, buckle up because this episode is packed with insights you wouldn't want to miss. Digital marketing is more than just a moving target, it's a constantly evolving ecosystem. In a world where technology advances by the day, simply keeping up isn't enough. To not just survive but thrive, businesses need to be proactive, anticipating the industry's next big moves. For example, cookieless world, which Google seems to keep going back on. So let's kick things off by diving into some of the technologies that are set to redefine how we think about digital marketing. But before we jump in, let me ask you, how is your brand preparing for these changes? Are you adapting or are you just reacting? This episode might just change the way you approach your marketing strategy. Let's start with the elephant in the room, artificial intelligence and machine learning. While these technologies have been around for a while, their applications are continuously evolving. For instance, Spotify is now using AI not just to recommend music, but to create personalized playlists and even produce content based on user preferences. This level of personalization is driving user engagement through the roof and setting absolutely new standards and never before seen standards for customer experience. Another exciting development is the use of AI by Sephora in their virtual artist app, which allows users to try on makeup virtually using facial recognition and machine learning. This not only enhances the shopping experience, but also drives conversions by helping customers feel more confident in their purchases. Although, on the other side of things, it kind of gives me Black Mirror vibes. But hey, if it works, it works. Next up, blockchain technology. Although it's still often associated with cryptocurrencies, we're seeing innovative applications in digital marketing. Prominent example, which some of you may or may not know, is Brave Browser, which is a great example of this, where blockchain is used to create a new kind of digital advertising ecosystem. Users basically earn tokens for viewing ads, which they can use to support content creators or redeem for rewards. This transparent, use-centric model is a glimpse into how blockchain could reshape online advertising. Then there's everyone's favorite, augmented reality and virtual reality, which are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Snapchat's AR lenses are leading the way in social media marketing, allowing brands to create immersive and interactive experiences. For example, Gucci recently launched an AR shoe try-on feature within Snapchat, enabling users to see how different styles look on their feet before buying. This not only boosts user engagement, but also reduces the likelihood of returns, similar to the IKEA example, but with a fresh twist in the fashion industry. Amazon also lets you try virtual placements. When you go to Amazon and you look at a particular sofa which you want to kind of place in your room, you can do that via AR. Here's the thing about digital marketing. What works today might be obsolete tomorrow. I would go so far as to say it will definitely be obsolete tomorrow. It's crucial to stay ahead, and that's where anticipating industry shifts come in. Let's talk about hyper-personalization. It's not just enough to personalize any. With AI and big data, we're moving toward hyper-personalization, delivering not just relevant content, but content that feels tailor-made for each individual customer. And as 5G technology becomes more prevalent and we're moving towards 6G now, the ability to deliver these real-time personalized experiences will only grow. Imagine your customers getting exactly what they need, exactly when they need it. Doesn't it sound like the future is here now, right? Another shift to keep an eye on is voice search optimization. We've done articles upon articles on this on our website, on our blog, and we just can't emphasize this enough. With more people using voice activated devices like Amazon's Alexa, Google Home, optimizing for voice search isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. Think about how people speak naturally and make sure your content is ready to meet that demand. Have you considered how voice search could potentially change the way customers find your business? Lastly, we need to address privacy and data security. With regulations like the GDPR, data protection isn't optional, it's mandatory. Cisco's survey shows that about 84% of consumers care deeply about data privacy, and they want control over their data. Brands that can deliver on this demand for transparency will build trust and loyalty. The question is, are you prioritizing privacy in your strategy or are you risking customer trust? So, the big question is, how can you stay ahead of these trends? It all comes down to preparation. First, invest in continuous learning and adaptation. At TDC, we encourage our team to never stop learning. There are fantastic resources out there like HubSpot, Google, Coursera, to name a few, offering free courses that can keep your team sharp and ahead of the curve. Are you fostering a culture of learning in your organization? If not, then it's about time that you do. Next, you need to invest in the right tools and technologies. This is non-negotiable. AI, blockchain, AR, whatever tools are right for your brand, make sure you're not just adopting them, but integrating them in a way that amplifies your strategy. Remember, it's not about having the latest tech, it's about using it to drive real results. Then, a customer-centric approach is your next best bet for staying relevant. When you understand your customers' needs, preferences, and pain points, you can create content, a brand story that not only resonates but drives action. How well do you really know your customers? You definitely need to answer this question and be 100% on top of this. And finally, don't shy away from experimentation and innovation. The brands that take risks and push boundaries are the ones that set trends, not just follow them. Look at how TikTok exploded. Brands that got in early saw an incredible engagement and reach. You need to be able to spot trends and jump on them as soon as you see one. What's the next big platform, and are you ready to experiment with it? The future of digital marketing is brimming with possibilities. By embracing emerging technologies, staying ahead of industry shifts, and preparing for future trends, you can keep your brand at the forefront of the industry. Remember, success isn't just about having the right tools, it's about staying informed, being adaptable, and always striving for innovation. Gartner predicts that 75% of organizations will experience business disruptions due to infrastructure changes. The brands that thrive will be those that are proactive and not reactive. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of digital marketing. I hope you found some inspiration to help guide your brand forward. Stay visionary, stay future ready. Until next time, I'm Harun and this is Drinks in Digital. By the way, don't forget, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your network. and we'll catch you in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye.